Hey everybody, when I was looking for information on the Tigermoth camper trailer, I wanted to see as much detail as possible. That's what this video is. So it's a follow-up to the unboxing and showing a little bit of the details of the camper and the rooftop tent in action. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so we're pretty much hooked up and ready to go. Okay, so we're here in a nice spot. Nice straight shot, kind of backing into this campsite. This is my crate for cast iron cookware. I made this top just so I can have it as a little table around camp as well. Here's my little folding stool.